Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Round 7, and today is day number 27. Today's sketch is by Scrapbook Challenges, and it is, I believe it's a .com, so you can head over there for additional challenges if you're interested. Anyway, today's sketch is a 12 by 12. It has one photo, a small photo, and it's got lots of circle elements, a large title, some banner strips coming out underneath to do journaling or just as embellishment. Yeah, so this should be fun. It's got a couple of big embellishment clusters here with flowers. And you guys know, if I have flowers, I'm going to use them, but today I think I'm going to do something a little bit different. So we'll see as I go along. I do have my one photo. I do have lots of circles that I have punched out from all the scraps that I have. I just went through and pulled a ton that might have been smaller or in the right shape. Some of them that aren't in the right shape that are already partially, I think it was this one, yeah. Like I feel like there's a couple under the photos that I just need a piece of. I pulled in some border strips or strips that I have cut off. And then I have my background paper from Hello Again. And I pulled in a gray cardstock to border this. I feel like with this busy pattern on this background, it's not just yellow. It has a pretty busy triangle shape on there. I don't know that I necessarily need to worry about that, but I pulled in that border as a just in case I need it. So I pulled in tons of embellishments. I pulled in some chipboard, those banners or pennants or whatever you want to call them. I pulled in 3 separate label sheets. I pulled in this sticker sheet. I pulled in this chipboard set. I've used this entire sheet here, but I still have 3 embellishments left here. I pulled in this coaster board set here, this sticker sheet, and this sticker sheet. And so my goal is to use at least maybe something minimal on each one. I've used a lot of the tiny stuff, but I have a couple of small arrows left on this one if I choose to use those. This one that has the bugs on it, I'm thinking I like for the layout. I want to try and use the chipboards. And here I think maybe the bird, because the photo is an outdoorsy photo. And here I have like a camera and fun times and explore. Over here, get it done today. And these are just bright bold colors. And then of course the chipboard. So we'll see what I'm able to create with this. I will show you a close-up of the layout if you want to pause it and play along. And I will be back to show you what I have created in just a second. Okay friends, I am done with another layout. This was the sketch, the Scrapbook Challenges sketch. Now, just to remind you, it had circles here and they had them more closed in on the inside. I spread mine out a little bit more. It had 2 primary clusters. I did that. Plus I have like another little cluster down below this area. I didn't do my journaling here, but I did have a small little journal spot added in. I put my title. You'll see I made some changes, but that's the beauty of sketches. These are the things that I did not use. I had some leftover circles, and those will just go into my stash. I didn't end up using these pieces of chipboard, which is disappointing because I really wanted to use at least this one, and I didn't end up getting it used, but I'm going to keep plugging along at it. I did use this alphabet for my title, and I did have to Frankenstein some of my letter E together to ensure that I had an E, because that did not have any. I did use all 3 sets of these labels. I did use this sticker sheet for the bird. I chose 3 words from this sticker sheet. I chose something from here. No, I didn't choose anything from this one, but I did choose 2 of the critters here. Oh, that's what it was. I did choose a wood grain looking bug here and then 2 of the bugs here from this sheet. I did use my circle chipboard piece here, and I did use the arrows here and here from this sticker sheet. And here is my layout. So if I put my sketch up next to it, you will see that it followed along fairly closely. I just reversed the placement. Because the photo is on this side of the layout here, I just moved it to the other side, flipped it over, used those border strips to create a cluster base, if you will. My title is here, my journaling is here, and I have cluster around this side. I count it as 1, 2, 3 clusters. I put more of the wreaths up here as a cluster element to match an additional page that I created. There's my chipboard piece here, my wood veneer sticker bugs, and my arrow here. I used a chipboard ampersand. Here are my sticker words. I used lots of star wood veneer, and I used 3 more of those hearts. Here's a tag or a label. Here's a label, and then that was my 3rd label there. So let me just take you around, show you some of the close-ups. And I will have close-up photos at the end of the video, so if you're interested, stick around. Now, I did decide I wanted this to be a companion page to this layout. So if you look at this, it's got Game On Mini Golf Competition. So you see a lot of the same patterns, a lot of the same colors going from layout to layout. I use these floral bits and pieces here because I have the floral paper over here. I have the wood stars on this page, the wood veneers, and then I had the wood veneer sticker hearts on this side. I have the same alphabet title from one to the next. Yeah, so I have chipboard pieces, I have the wreaths, I have arrows, hearts. So you can see they go one with the other. This was yesterday's layout, and then this one is today's layout. So if they end up going side by side in the album, that's okay. They'll look nice together. If they go into 2 separate albums, that's okay too. Regardless of how they end up in the album, the layouts are done. They can go individually into separate albums and still look decent all on their own. Anyway, friends, if you would like to see other layouts that I have created along this series, please head over to my YouTube channel, to the playlist hashtag 30DSCBL7, and you will see all the layouts that I created. If you're interested in seeing layouts that everyone has created on Facebook, or sorry, on YouTube, then put into your search bar hashtag 30DSCBL7, and you will see all the layouts that have been tagged with that. The same on Instagram, the same hashtag, and you can see all the layouts that have been tagged over there as well. Anyway, I appreciate you being here. If you haven't been over to Christy's Facebook group, head over there, request to join so that you can see what everybody is posting over there, because there's some people who just post their photos there. So make sure, head over there if you haven't already. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for the close-ups of the layout, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.